The number of flood victims who were evacuated to flood relief centres in Johor continued to rise following the persistent rain. Segamat and Tangkak remain the only districts in the state to be affected by the floods. State Health and Environment Committee Chairman R Vidyananthan said as at 8 a.m., a total of 1,646 victims from 425 families were evacuated. He also said the Drainage and Irrigation Department has recommended that residents in the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia to be aware of possible high tide phenomenon that is expected to occur between January 2nd and 5th.